Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn with Norcross, Madagascar. Thank you for joining us on day 6, the halfway point of our 12 days of Crystal Christmas. Today we're talking about another amazingly cool Christmas gift. These are our business card holders, and you've got the business person, you don't know what to get them, you want to get them something for the office maybe. This is a really cool gift. They are just a natural piece of stone, so hopefully, wow, some of the flash on this labradorite, like from all sides, is really pretty. This one here is, I think, figure out which way to do it, is the coolest piece of agate ever. But these, if you can see, whole business cards really well. You can also, I mean, we've got some customers who put little slices in there, put little, little awards or pamphlets in there, whatever you want to put in there. They're really cool. They're a natural piece of stone, but what I like is you can see the natural piece, but on the inside where they cut it, you can also see inside of the stone too. So you can see all of the characteristics of the stone, which is one of my favorite things on there. We have them, obviously, you can see the assortment we have here. So we have them in all of our stones. Here's a really cool little septarian one. I love with the yellow calcite, with the natural matrix of it. Just the patterns in septarian is so pretty. We have the septarian, we have petrified wood. This one's really cool because you can see it's a natural piece of petrified wood. And then if you look at the bottom, we sell slices, and this is just a sawn piece of petrified wood that we've turned into a business card holder. So it was started out as a small petrified wood branch, and we made the business card holder out of it, and it's really cool. I showed you this amazing piece of labradorite. We have this gorgeous piece of agate. It's becoming, the more I show it to you guys, one of my favorite stones. The chestnut jasper, we used it in our Christmas mix. We've used it in a lot, but just the characteristics of the colors you can see on the inside too, the striping on here and in front with all the different colors of it. I think it's just so pretty. Rose quartz is always a great choice for anybody. So, the size, it's not going to take up a huge amount of room on the desk. It's going to fit the business cards really well. Got a really cool rhodonite one. It shows the difference between the quartz and the rhodonite and the matrix. I love the contrast in these. I've said it 100 times. Black and pink is my favorite color combination. That one will always be a favorite. A lot of people are into indigo gabbro. It protects from the 5G and the radiation, so a lot of people want it near their computers or on their desks to protect them. So we do have them in indigo gabbro also. So these guys are only $15, so they're really reasonable. We are still shipping priority mail, so you're still gonna get this stuff in time for Christmas. If you have any questions, want to see some of the other stones we have or some other examples of these same stones, give us a call. The phone number is 520-882-8884, or shoot us an email at sales@madagascarminerals.com. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And once again, thank you so very much for joining us on this day 6 of the 12 days of Crystal Christmas. We will see you tomorrow with another really amazing gift idea. Thanks again.